Welcome to International Brain Rescue KG2 class. Subject mathematics, and the topic is fraction, and the subtopic is identifying simple fractions on 1/2, which is 1/2, 1/3, which is 1/3, and 1/4, which is 1/4. Now let's take it one after the other. The fraction of 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Don't forget that 1/2 means half, 1/2. 1/3 means 1/3, while 1/4 means 1/4. Examples, let's try this together. Now pupils, face the board and let's do this together. This is a whole. For example, this is a whole of orange. You have one whole. It means a whole like this. This is one whole. Now, if you want to make it 1/2, which is half, that is, you want to cut it into half. For example, maybe your mommy gives you something and she asks you to share it into two, then you have to cut it into two to make it half plus half. We give you one whole. Now, let's try this together. This is a whole of orange. We want to make it 1/2, which is half. This is it. You do like this by cutting it into half. Then you have 1/2 and 1/2, which gives you two halves. So half here plus half here will give you one whole. Do you understand? You can also make use of this as an example. Let's say this is an onion, and you want to cut it into two and make it half. All you need to do is to divide your onion into two. Then you have half here plus half, making a whole. Do you understand? Whole. Now let's go to 1/3, which is 1/3. This is a whole of triangle, and we want to divide it into 3/3. We want to divide it into three places. For example, if you are 3 and you are given a single object and you have to divide it into 3, all you need to do is to divide the object into 3. For example, like this. This is the triangle. You divide it into 3 by doing like this. Now let's count. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, which makes it 3/3. 1, 2, 3. Make it 3/3. Now let's treat 1/4, which is 1/4. This is a whole of triangle, and you are asked to divide it into 4 places. This is a triangle, and you are asked to divide it into. This is a rectangle, and you are asked to divide it into 4 places. How do we go about it? Children, don't forget that I told you that if you are given a particular object and you have to divide it into 4, all you need to do is to divide it into that number. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one part will be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 will give you 4/4. Do you all understand? Then let's make use of our onion as an example. This is a whole of onion, and we want to divide it into 4 places. All you need to do is, this is your onion, and you want to divide it into 4 places to make your 1/4. You first divide it into 2 like this. Then you also divide it again into 4 places. This is one part, this is another part, this is another part, and this is the 4th one. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? Now let's try this exercise together. Number 1, divide and color half. Don't forget that I said half means 1/t. Divide and color half. Or this shape. This is a shape. This is a 1 over 2. This is the 1 half. Do you understand? Now, let's treat 1/3, which is 1 over 3. Divide and color 1/3, which is 1 over 3 of this shape. This is a rectangle shape. We want to divide it into 3 places. Now, let's divide our triangle into 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Good. After dividing it, then shade one part. You can shade any part you like. You can decide to shade this. Now I'm shading mine. Children, continue shading yours. Shade your own. After you color your own, then now let's solve the answer. How many parts is shaded? 1. Now write your 1. Over how many? How many parts is divided? 1, 2, 3. Which makes it 1 over 3. 1/3. Now let's do 1 over 4, which is 1/4. Now the instruction says divide and color 1/4, which is 1 over 4 of this shape. This is a square shape, and we want to divide it into 4 places. After dividing it, then you have to write the shaded parts, then you count everything all together. Now let's cut it into 4 places. Like this. Like this. Now let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's shade one part. If you have to determine 1 over 4, you shade one part. You can decide to shade this place or you color it. You color like this. After you finish coloring it, then you write how many parts is shaded. 1. Over how many? Now count all the box together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 1 over 4, which is 1/4. Thank you. The parent, please do guide these children as they practice it at home. See you next class at International Brain Exercise.